Hello Jergers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. It's a brand new day and a brand new country. Hello Jergers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel. Take two. Naipit kasi yung balakang ko. Brand new day, brand new country, like what I said. And we're here, finally, to visit my brother after so many years. Nakapunta na rin ako ng Canada. Ayan. So we flew in from New York, so that's about an hour and a half. Alam mo, kung alam lang namin na ganun pala kalapit, sana every time na nag-New York kami, tumatawid na kami papuntang Canada. Pakalapit lang eh, kasing neighbor country lang siya. Can't believe we're in Canada! And can I just say, sobrang efficient ng bansa ninyo. Kudos to Justin Trudeau. May apelido pa yan siya eh. Fire. Justin Trudeau Fire. Mali, okay. Tama na. Ang bilis, sobrang hassle-free dito sa airport. No? Ang bilis.
Sobrang efficient.
Sobrang efficient. No? Sobrang dali lang kumuha ng visa. Online lang, di ba tama? Tapos I think mas madali pa pag nakita nilang may US visa ka.
Pero make sure sa Canadian website ha. Kasi pag mga third party, mapapamahal kayo.
Oo. Ayaw talaga natin ng third party.
Sobrang excited ako. Nag-ano ako sa isang parang third party website. Ayun, napa $142 ako. Pero ang actual $7 lang.
Huwag kayong papabudol. Alam mo namang madaling mabudol to eh. Hello! Oh my God! Bless! Oh my God! Hello! Ang laki mo na, grabe! Oh my God! 20 years, grabe.
Mo ba? Sa akin ka muna nag-ano?
Ano?
Millionaire sa bahay mo, di ba?
I remember.
Ang tugal na.
Tagal na.
Gusto nyo kainin?
Nag-New York nga daw, nagkaka-text lang.
Turn yung plane.
Nag-ano raw, lumand na tapos umakyat ulit. Parang na-strike nga daw sa ano sa ground. Ewan ko ba? Gumulan ako dun. Chinese. Oh, si Shelly, kausapin mo.
Sir,
Ma!
Hi, ma!
Oh.
Outdoor sports, fishing, any sport that involves you being outdoors, nandito sa lugar na ito. So this place is called Bass Pro Shops Outdoor World. Ayan. So lahat ng mga Bass Pro stuff, from caps to shirts to hoodies, nandito.
It's a sign.
Magkakabar ako? Oo. Ito na tayo, sa bahay nila Kuya Van and Ate Swell. Yan. Dati school ni Jacob, yan lang. Alam mo na, di ba pag mas malapit yung school, minsan mas nakakatamad pumasok. Ewan ko kung alam na experience niya yung gano'n. Morning, Ate Swell!
coffee for my Jeremy love.
Papaya yung nakasulat.
Rito si Kuya Van ng bistek.
Oo. Tim Hortons, our first Tim Hortons in Canada.
Serviettes.
Bakit?
Ito. Kasi nga, service.
Can you say something in French?
Bonjour mes amis, je m'appelle Marcus et voici ma famille.
Well, this is my family.
Oui.
Yeah. Hey. We just arrived Blue Mountain. So since we're loaded up with caffeine and some sugar, I think we're ready to take on Blue Mountain and explore this quaint little town. So mamaya may mag-play dyan na punk rock ba? Tama? Punk rock band, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So si Marcos, mahilig siya sa music.
Originally, I was like very into punk rock, like very punk rock like focused. But then I also like indie rock and indie pop. So like I guess kind of like Biba Doobie and like kind of like that. So I tried to mix both, and like that's kind of my music on Spotify
But ito siya, subscribe kayo. Follow siya sa Spotify.
and Apple Music.
Apple Music.
And Apple Music,
And
yeah.
Apple Music. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yun. Maganda dito sa Collingwood, dito sa Blue Mountain kasi you get the local vibe. Parang you get to experience it like a true Canadian. Especially siguro kung winter. But you know what? It's just as beautiful kahit summer. Nandito ka. Ganda. Kasi yan, may punk rock music. Hindi ko na-vlog pero yun. Yan yung tsura ng burger. Nakalimutan ko. Our next stop from Burgers Priest. We're here at Friday Harbor. Ayan. So merong lake towards the end of this road. Hindi ko lang ba't ako nagsando. Ang lamig dito. Friday Harbor. Ayan. Nakakatawa na requirement ng bar eh. Dapat casual resort wear ka. Daling ko kayo sa yard nila Kuya Van. Nila Ate Swell. Ito oh. Ang yard nila. Merong tree na malaki. Covered to ng snow kapag winter. Babalik nga ako dito pag winter. Ang ma-experience magpala ng snow. At Padre Pio Church. Sarap ng weather ngayon. Mahangin, malamig. Sana pwede naka-shorts. Kasi di ba ibang mga simbahan sa ibang bansa medyo strict sa dress code. Parang hindi naman. Nakikita naman ako mga naka-shorts. We are en route to Niagara and ano lang kami, nag-quick food stop.
Quickie kami, nag-quickie.
Para hindi gutumin sa biyahe. Although 2 hours away lang naman from the city. Malapit lang. Amazing no? Ganong klaseng landmark. Ang lapit lang sa city nila. Pabagabag. After a few hours, we're here.
Punta namin kayo.
Ayan, so nasa kabila yung nakikita nyo, that's Boston, ano ba? Boston ba?
Buffalo.
New York.
Buffalo pala, Buffalo. So from my POV, feeling ko mas maganda nga sa side ng Canada. Though hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa side ng US na Niagara Falls. Kasi parang dito kita mo ng 360, 180 degrees. Nakaharap ko dun sa falls, in short.
Yeah, pag nasa New York ka, nakatalikod ka sa falls, hindi ka mapa-fall masyado. Kasi nga, naka-backfall ka.
Ano? So, yun yung boat ng US. Yung pula yung Canada. So, pababa kami ngayon sa, ano to? Sa, may trail ba pababa? May trail papunta sa falls? Okay, ayun. So mga kababa tayo. Medyo nawala na yung ulan. Parang yung nafe-feel namin na basa ngayon, mist na lang to from the falls. Yan na. Nakaka-excite na nakaka-tense kasi parang I think this is the biggest waterfalls na nakita ko in my entire life. So far. The whole tour takes about 1 hour and may boat na umaalis every 15 minutes. Since nasa Canada side tayo, Team Red tayo, Team Red. Pro tip, kumuha ka na agad na ng side para iikot naman to any side, basta nandun ka sa side. Eh, kitang-kita mo na maganda yung view. Ayan na, we're moving! Kaya kasalukuyan po tayo nababasa. Oo. Yes, Karen. Nandito po tayo. Reporter. Naintindihan mo yung chika sa speaker?
Inside of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty located
Ano sabi?
in Island in Taylor Harbor.
At basta yan Amerika.
As a natural wonder,
Yung Canadian.
Ayan, ang galing, ang husay. Ito yata yung biggest waterfall in the world. So talagang tamang ito na yung pinakamalaki nakita ko
is 107 feet.
na waterfall.
52 meters.
Kasalukuyan po tayo nasa mata ng bagyo! Abi, basang-basa yung sapatos ko. Saya.
Mabuti lang chinelas ako.
How often can you say na mababasa ka ng tubig mula sa Niagara Falls? Di ba? Grabe, basang-basa yung sapatos ko. Ano? Basa.
I'm wet.
Oh, bata ka, saan ka na nagsuot? Say it again.
I don't know how to say it. First,
Say nakakapag
Nagkakapag.
pabagabag.
Pagaba.
Nakakapag
Nagkakapag.
pa ba
Ba.
ga
Ga.
bag.
Bag.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Nagkapag.
We're in Bloor Street, right?
Bloor Street, Koreatown.
Koreatown. We're gonna have dinner here.
There's too many people. Where do they come from?
Core memory, first time akong papainumin na pamangkin ko.
No, you can't guess.
Sarap ng weather ngayon. 17 degrees. It is day 3 here in Canada and our first official day here in Toronto, in the city, sa downtown. Yan, so explore natin anong mga restaurants na nandito, anong pwedeng puntahan. Ayan. But offhand, parang yung vibe niya para siyang New York. New York
Malinis
na
na
mas
version.
malinis na version. Itong Canada, pansin ko, parang sa Europe din, yung kung nasan yung mga train station, nandun din yung nasa baba din yung mga shops, mga parang mall,
Yeah, basement.
basement. Parang eksena sa Mean Girls to yung may fountain sa gitna. We're in line for Stussy. Such a long line. Alam ko lang na ganito ka pipilahan to dito. Sana nasa Hong Kong pa lang bumili na kami ng hoodie. Ito mo yung pila, oh. And it's the only store here in Toronto apparently. Day 4 and we're having Sanuki Udon. Hi guys! Ayan, so Saan tayo punta? Toronto. Toronto sign. That's CN Tower. Finally, nagpakita na siya. Union Station.
Parang sa ano, di ba, may Union Station?
Yeah.
San
Saan?
Francisco.
Oo. Union Square.
Union Square naman. Pero ito, Union Station.
Sa atin din meron.
Ano?
La Union. So this is Union Station. Yo! Kuya Ban! I think may concert ni Tate McRae, so hindi tayo makapasok doon sa merch area ng Raptors. It's my inaanak. You know the word inaanak?
No, I only know brothers with anak.
It's like godson. So you call me Nino, I call you inaanak.
Okay, so you
Pag ganyan, oh, ano mangyayari?
Kamusta ba kayo dyan, Tol? O, Tol, kita na ka. Pwede ba, di ba? Eto, Telemaya.
Oh.
Telemaya sa Abono Banto eh. Ha?
Subway.
Actually, naghahanap kami ng kakainan.
So we're heading towards
Church.
Church.
Actually, nasa street na tayo ng church eh.
Kaya nga, we're walking along Church Street.
Doon sa may baklaan.
It's the LGBT area of downtown Toronto.
Toronto.
So, this is a trans flag in walkway na to. So dyan sa Woody's yung, kung ewan ko naabutan niya yung palabas na Queer as Folk. Ayan, dyan sinut yun. Where are we having dinner?
Silom Bistro.
Yeah, Silom Thai Bistro. So Thai food tayo. Since sa tagal namin wala sa Pilipinas, puro Asian ang kinikrave.
Yes.
Let's go, let's do it. Where are we going?
We are going to St. Lawrence Market and then the Distillery District.
Got it.
Gonna go look for local goods and then look
Poutine.
at poutine. Yes, it'll be fun poutine.
So whenever I travel, I always see to it that I get to experience the local markets ng bawat bansa. And dito tayo ngayon sa St. Lawrence Market. From pastries to any type of meat, pati yung P-meal na ano dito na I think specialty dito sa Canada. Yeah, so they have it here. Any type of meat.
Ayun, isang meat
Andito.
yun.
Meron dito. Yeah. So, ayun, lalaki ng sausage. Grabe. Okay.
So it's like, imagine like the White Rabbit candy, but instead of it being like hard, it's like really
Chewy.
soft. It's
What's
soft.
it called though?
Fudge.
Fudge. Ah, fudge.
Fudge.
Our next stop is Kensington Market. Kung sa atin may pet malu. Sa atin-
Dito.
Dito.
May pet baloo.
does this place remind you of?
Ano, Camden ba?
Camden Town. Parang Camden Town. Para siya mas organized na Camden Town sa London. Mas structured. Kasi parang sa Camden Town medyo uneven yung lugar. Even the twists and turns ng mga alleys. Ito talagang diretso. Ayan o. Structure dito since 1832 pa. Kaya naman talagang tignan mo. Labas pa lang, diba? So much character.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like Yonge Street is the longest street in, I think even North America or like in Canada, somewhere. It's like a big thing. Basically from my hometown of Barrie, it's the same road that stretches like over 100 kilometers, I think. So the Yonge Street in Toronto is the same Yonge Street as it is in Barrie.
Akala ko Yonge. Yonge pala, Yonge Street, Yonge Street. We're back in Pearson. Grabe, ang bilis lang ng 1 week. Ako pa umalis.
So they're leaving. Very sad.
Bye guys, love you guys.